Hi there. Today we will discuss a little bit about polar equations of conics. One of my students asked me this particular question that student got from the book Ron Larson, and I was told that these type of examples they are there under the exercises, but they are not solved. So I thought to make a video how to solve these type of questions. But before we try to solve these type of questions, let's understand a little bit. Uh, in these type of cases, we are looking for either equation number 1 or equation number 2. Equation number 1 will be used when we have the vertical directrix. Now, what is the focus? What is the directrix? I will make another video. If you are in honors pre-calculus, that means you already know what I am talking about when I talk about focus or directrix. Or the equation number 2, which deals with the horizontal one. The p variable here is nothing but the distance between the focus or pole and the directrix. E, what is E? E is called eccentricity. Eccentricity. I think I didn't spell it properly. Let me spell it again. Eccentricity. So in this particular question that we are talking about, they have given us hyperbola. If it is a hyperbola, that means the eccentricity will be greater than 1. They have given us only the vertices, right? So let's rewrite. Let's start. So 2, 0 and negative 26 and 5. Because it is 2, 0, it is in the form of, the vertices are in the form of r and theta. So what is theta in this case that we are talking about? We will discuss it as we move along. Let's find out what is the total distance between the two vertices. So total distance between the vertices. It will be, if you imagine on the number line, you are at negative 26 and you have to reach to 2. So just a basic number line, you are at negative 26. You have a 0 here and then 2 here. So how many units from here to there? 28. The total distance is 28. If the total distance is 28, that means we are talking about that 2a is 28. So a should be nothing but 14. We have a here. We need to find other information. Let's find out what is C. C means center. So center for the hyperbola is nothing but the midpoint. So midpoint of the vertices. If the total distance of the vertices is 28 and A is 14, so what we are looking for? We are looking for center as 12 and 0. You can calculate from 12 and 0, that will be the center point we are looking for. So from this I can conclude that the center is nothing but 12. Now we have A, we have C. Let's find out eccentricity. Eccentricity is nothing but A over C. What is A? A is 14. What is C? C is 12. So we have 7/6. We need this, and as you can see, it is greater than 1 because it is hyperbola. Now, let's try to plug everything in the equation we are looking for, the polar equation. So we are taking R is equal to E P. In some of the books, instead of P, they write D as well, but they are the same thing. 1 plus, not minus, we are taking this plus here. 1 plus E cos theta. Let's try to plug everything back. If you remember, when we were defining the vertices, we labeled r as 2, right? Because in the polar form, we are talking about r and theta. So r is nothing but theta, 2. Because r is 2, let's plug everything back here. So r is 2, eccentricity we just got as 7/6. We are taking p as it is, and then 1 plus 7/6, and then cos theta. Now this is my basic equation, and so let me rewrite the vertices again. So the vertices were 2, 0 and negative 26 pi. So we defined, this is r and theta, right? So 2 is radius and theta is 0. So instead of theta, I will say a 0. So 2 7/6 pi 1 plus 7/6 cos 0. And you know that cos 0 on a unit circle is nothing but 1. And what is cos? Cos is always the x value of the coordinate, right, on the unit circle. So this defines the cos and the y defines the sine. Just a mini lesson in between. Now we have everything. Let's rewrite it and solve it. So from here, I can say I can cross multiply. I can cross multiply this because cos theta, cos 0 will be 1. If I cross multiply, I will get 2 times 1 plus 7/6. Cos 0 is 1, so nothing is there, is equal to 7/6 p. Use your information about how to solve it, distribution and simplifying the fraction. If you simplify the fraction, you will get 2 times 6, okay, so 12/6 plus 14/6 is equal to 7/6 pi, not pi, p. So 26 p, 26, let's take 26 over 6 is equal to 7/6 over p. And if I simplify it further, I will get p is equal to 26 over 7. Now we have p as well. Now we will put everything back in the equation that we started. Okay. So we have p, we have e. Let's put it back in our polar equation. So r is 7/6 times 26/7, and be careful, they are fractions. So 1 plus 7/6 cos theta. So multiplying the numerator together and multiplying the denominator together, that's what we are looking for, multiplying with the fraction. If I simplify this whole entire mess, what I am supposed to get right here. So we will get 26, and because 7 and 7 will cross off, right? And the 6 will go in the denominator. So 6 is in the denominator, and then we have 1 plus 7/6 cos theta. And again, if we simplify it, making the common denominators, I will get 26 over 6, 6 plus 7 cos theta, and everything by 6. Now you can see we have the numerator and the denominator. We are talking about the denominator only. We can cross it off. So our final answer would be r is equal to 26 7 cos theta plus 6. This is what we are looking for. But happy chappy answer. So in these type of questions, always remember, first find the total distance between the two vertices, and then that will help you to identify what is A, and then you need to find out what is the center. Center is nothing but the midpoint of the vertices. From A and C, you can find the eccentricity. And then you decide how the directrix is working. If the directrix is if it is a vertical, then we are looking for the equation with cos theta. And slowly, little bit more carefully with the fractions, you should be able to solve these type of problems. I hope it made sense.